Hello and welcome to the Knitty Kitties channel with me, Netty. Today I'm demonstrating the Arteza Scratch-It notes, an alternative to boring post-it notes, a bit more colourful. You see some QR codes on the back of the packaging there. They're for helpful tips and 20% off. Should you purchase this, do check that out. And this lovely packaging as well, very colourful, very vibrant. So here we are opening it up, having an unboxing. So we've got two sharpeners there and two stylus scratchers. So they're provided with plenty of gear there. So you got these pattern notes here, there's a lot of different ones. You'll find 100 rainbow pattern notes. Now, not in any particular order here. 25 silver holographic patterned notes. 25 gold ones. 25 pink, along with 25 blue. There's two space ones here as well, just worth mentioning. So you'll find that there's a lot of different colours. I was just having a root in that box there to see. I think that's another space patterned one, what you can just practice on. Let me put them back in the box. So I do believe there's 200 in this box. Each one is unique. You can also get these in different sizes, so it's not just this small size. If you visit the website at www.arteza.com, that's spelled A-R-T-E-Z-A. Now you're going to see me demonstrating a few different colours. Now, upon demonstrating, I noticed that it was a very soft, scratchable surface. This is the gold one, and it's holographic gold. Stunning. There's two different ends to the scratches, the stylus scratches. There's like a flat end for more broad strokes, and then the other end is pointed so you can get more detailed work done with that. So it could be a thank you note, or maybe a reminder, or just a little piece of art for someone. But the possibilities are endless. So this has demonstrated the pointing end, which is much thinner. Camera picked up on the shiny bits there, which is wonderful. I'm just chopping and changing between the different ends, because this is my first time opening it as well as you're watching it, so I didn't know what to expect. So a little bit about Arteza. They're an American company. Great value for money art and craft products. They also do markers, pencils, anything you can think of really. It's there. And also there's a lot of offers on with free postage and packaging. Just check it out, there's different offers all the time. So that's how you use the file, not for your nails. But you can do if you want, I suppose. Right, we're going to try out this second one. It's a lovely rainbow pattern, so you get 100 of these in the pack. Lots and lots of different colours. Very, very vibrant. And it's very easy to scratch on because it's such a soft surface. I don't know, but the art foil kits that used to get back in the day, some of them weren't very soft. But I think with a wooden stylus you do get a much better result, I think, because they used to have the little blades, weren't they, metal blades on them. But this seems a bit better. Much easier. This one today, this demonstration, is just a bit of fun. It's not really anything very technical. I think pretty much anyone could use this, no matter how good you are at art or how bad you are. I think anyone would just have a lot of fun with these. I suppose anyone who's into the officey type art, officey or art kind of stuff, they'd be into these. Yeah, it does get messy as well. The stuff that you scratch off. So I've done my best to clean that up in between demonstrating these, because it can be quite filthy things. Right. So here's another one, another piece. I think I was going for a cartoon character in this. See if you can try and guess who it is before I finish it. And no cheating. Comment down below if you can recognise who it is. I think this is another rainbow one. Just for the sake of saying, I'm not actually affiliated or sponsored by Arteza. I just bought these with my own money, but if they do want to sponsor me and they're watching, hello. Pays to be cheeky sometimes. But yeah, I really do rate them. They're very good. I had no idea what to expect with the Arteza brand. I'd never used them before, but so far so good. So that almost looks like a sunset on his ear there. I bet you can tell who. I hope you can tell who it is. But yeah, it's Mickey Mouse. Not sponsored by Disney anyway, in any way, but if you're listening, Disney, hi. Probably not, but worth a go. Yeah, they're lovely colours. lovely. I don't know which ones I prefer, the rainbow ones or the more holographic ones. I think they're all brilliant. So if you were to purchase these, what would you use them for? Have a comment down below. Tell me what you'd do with them. I'm a bit of a doodler, as if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that. Here we go, here's another one. So it's another holographic one. It's almost like a pinky colour, I think. Well, there's silver, gold, pink and blue are the holographic ones. So just gone for a fun Pokemon vibe here with a Pokeball. And glitters showing up really nice. So coming up soon, I'm going to be doing the Arteza pencils as well, which are artist quality. I'm going to be checking them out, so do watch out for that one. Be a little cheeky if you give us a subscribe and click the bell, you'll be notified of when that'll go up. There'll be more videos coming up as well with lots of different types of art supplies, and I do like to try and encourage saving money, so if I can help in any way doing that, I shall try my very best. Not the best piece of art in the world, but it's just a lot of fun. That's what it's all about with these, really. So there's been a lot of criticism lately about adults doing colouring in and people saying that it should be just kids who use colouring books. But just my opinion on it is, if people want to colour in, let them. It's very therapeutic. It relaxes you, and these days the adult colouring book industry is quite a big industry. So I mean, there's a hell of a lot of people who like it, so I'd say anyone who thinks that adults shouldn't be doing it, I mean, maybe they're not a creative person and they should give it a go, I reckon. They'll enjoy it a lot. Very relaxing and very therapeutic. But that's just my opinion. You know, I do it because I find it very relaxing, and it's quite therapeutic watching this back as well. And what I always say is, do it for yourself, not for anyone else. You know, if you find it fun, doesn't matter what anyone else thinks, is it? So that's a very derpy looking Pikachu there, but that's demonstrating the pink holographic patterned note. I think I shall redeem myself in one of these videos one day and do a better looking Pikachu, because that one, oh dear, he looks like he's had a bad time, doesn't he? Bless him. And here's the last one. Oh, you can see the shine on that Pikachu better now. They do show up very well. Ah, this is the blue holographic one. So we got the silver one, we got the gold, we got the pink one, we got the blue. So yeah, there's all the different ones. So if you want to check out my better art, do check out Any Art Netty on Facebook and Instagram. And soon there'll be a website up and running. At the minute I'm working on a lot of portraits, friends and family off Facebook who've kindly volunteered. So I shall be posting them soon. I've got 2 more to do. So do check that out, Any Art Netty. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed trying these out, opening it for the first time. I can't even remember. I think it's supposed to be a Eevee from Pokemon. But there we are. Never mind. Coming to the end of the video now. I'd like to say thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed that, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.